This is Nick from Kube Medical, bringing you the 6th and final video in our Plantar Fasciitis series. Hope you've been doing okay with the exercises thus far, and in this session we're just going to be looking at some strengthening exercises for the hip. We're going to build on those flexibility exercises we've already done and recover that external rotation, get the hip working in the correct mechanics, and that should translate right down through the leg to the foot. These are our activation exercises, and we're going to start with one standing up against a worktop or a wall, somewhere where you can just put your hips in nice and tight and feel if you're moving your hips. The aim is to keep your hips perfectly still and just make the muscles work. We're looking to activate our muscles in our bum, so our gluteal muscles, to try and get stability and strength back in those muscles that we may have lost over time by sitting at a desk or poor posture. So I'm going to use this area here. Imagine this is your kitchen worktop and you can stand right up against it. As I turn around, I put my hips right next to the ducting or the worktop, and the aim is to keep the hips in place while you do the exercise. If the hips move, you know that you're compensating with other muscles and we need to reset and start again. What we need you to do is to bring the leg backwards and outwards to about 45 degrees and turning the toes out as well. What this is going to do is fully activate the gluteal muscles, and if you do it properly you should feel a really tight squeeze in those muscles and get them working through each repetition. Work on both sides equally, aiming to try to get 20 repetitions on each side. For the second activation exercise for the glute muscles, what we're going to do is pop this band around our feet and just do some banded walks. So we're putting the band around our feet and walking from side to side. Again, you should be able to feel these gluteal muscles activating, especially after you've done the first exercise. This means that you're using your hips in the correct way and helping you to move towards greater stability and strength. I hope you've enjoyed this series of videos and exercises to help you look after your plantar fasciitis. Look out for future videos coming along with shoulder injuries, lower back pain, knee pain, golfer's elbow, all planned for the future.